Hello guys, I hope you have enjoyed the last session about data manipulation by using a Python NumPy. So today we are going to see how we can analyze and manipulate with dollars into tables by using a Python package called Pandas. A Pandas is a software library that is written into Python programming language for manipulating and analyzing data into tables. With Python Pandas, you can build a Panda series or a Panda data frame. So you're going to analyze one by one. So a Panda series is a one-dimensional array that can hold any data type. In a simple way, you can say a Panda series is a column in Excel sheet. Let's first creating a Panda series. So before creating a Panda series, first we have to import a Pandas library. You run it, it's okay. So we can create a Panda series from a list, from a dictionary. Let's first creating a Panda series from a list. For creating a Panda series from a list, first we have to create a list. Let's first define a list of fluids. Of Apple. Let's now build a series called S by using the defined fluid. We say PD dot series. Then you have to put in parentheses the name of the list. Let us now print the series. You see now we have a series, Panda series. You can check what is the type of this series. Say print type, put here S, you run it. You see we have a Panda series. You can create a Panda series from a dictionary. Let me first define a student dictionary. Now the dictionary is defined. So now the dictionary is defined. Let's now build a Panda series from this dictionary. S equal to PD that series. I call now the dictionary. Let's now print this Panda series. This you can have a Panda series where the keys are the indexes and the values are the content of the series. Let's now check the indexes of the series. Print s dot index. You can see Eli, Claudine, Tadine, Sahi, and John are the indexes. You can now define a Pandas series with indexes. Let's define a series with Panda. Let's define a Pandas series of capitals. And I say I have Kigali. We have Bujumbura. I have Kampala. I have Luanda. So let's now define the indexes. Say the Kigali is the capital of Rwanda. I know the Bujumbura is the capital of Burundi. And I know the Kampala is the capital of Uganda. And lastly, I know Luanda is the capital of Angola. Now I'm done with the Panda series. Let's now try to print the content of the series. You see you have countries and their corresponding capitals. So now we can check the indexes, which are the countries of this series. Can say print s dot index. So we can have Rwanda, Burundi, Uganda, Angola as the indexes. So now we can access the element of the series. We have two ways that you can use for accessing the data from the series. First one is to access the elements from the series with a position. The second one is to access the element of series by using labels or indexes. So let's first create a dictionary. Let me copy this as a dictionary. I copy this, I paste it here. Then let me create a cells. It is equal to pd dot series. Put here student. So let me first get the data from the series by using position. First, I will say print cell dot ilog. Let me say I want to get the data at the position number 1, which is the content of Claudine. I put here 1. I can get 79. If I put here 0, I can get the first row or first content. If I want to get the content of John, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, I can put here 4. So this is how we can access the data from the series by using position. So we can access the data from the Panda series by using index. Let me print the series here for easy checking. Let me say I want to get the content of Tedin. We say print cell dot log. Then I put here Tedin. automatically get the values of the dean. If I want to get the content of John, I can put sn.log, put here John, automatically I can get the data of John perfectly. Guys, this is the end of the session. I hope you have enjoyed the session. Please don't forget to click on subscribe, share, and like. Thank you. Let's meet in the next session. Bye.